What's up, YouTube? I just trade here with a peek into what are a few things to look out for this upcoming trading week, and one short I may be establishing. Now, this week will be all about the data and government shutdowns. We have ISM, PMI, and PCE, and do not forget the end of the fiscal year is this Friday, and we still have China issues from last week, and my guy Jay Powell will be testifying. So pretty much all in all, a very important week this week. We will get some kind of idea what to watch. I expect to see a lot of movements coming up, and don't forget last week was pretty wild, so expect the same thing this week. And the only big news I found was China talking about some type of power crunch, kind of like, I think it's like the next economic shock will be well beyond Evergrande, because this actually affected the suppliers of Tesla and Apple. They actually had to shut down over the weekend due to power usage curbs imposed by China. I'm thinking this may be the next Alibaba type of attack. We will see. But let's make sure you're subscribed, thumbs up is lit, and that bell is rang. And now for the hedge on China, I will be looking to make this week ahead. This is Xpev, ticker XPEV. I plan to grab some shorts on this one. The reasoning behind it is Evergrande contagion. That's what I'm thinking. And the fact that China's EV has been doing extremely well and will have more room to fall once it escalates. Don't let the 30-day extension fool you. I think they're just buying time. Don't forget, this is not financial advice, and I may be wrong. I may even go after Lee or Neil. We'll see during live stream. Let's check the charts and contracts to see what we got. Xpev, I'm not gonna look at the charts, just want to look at the contracts real quick. The ones I'm really looking at are these. I'm looking at looking at the weekly ones. I don't have weekly ones, but I'm looking at the 19, either the 12 days or the 19-day ones. The $25 ones aren't looking too bad. Actually, no, it's this one right here. The 19-day ones. These $25 ones right here at 12. I mean, you can get them anywhere between 10 to 15 bucks. These are not too bad, and it looks like a lot of people are actually going after these ones. I actually like this $25 range one. So we'll see during live what happens when market opens, though. That's what's going to tell us everything. Because, I mean, honestly, I do think Xpev can actually come down more. I mean, just looking at the charts, I mean, you can see what we got going on here. I mean, honestly, I think if this escalates, it can come back down to IPO prices, but we need to see if it's able to hold that open. If it's able to hold this area open, then it may be okay, but I mean, I kind of don't see it being able to hold up, especially with the China escalation going on the way it is. And like I said, don't let the 30-day extension fool you. And actually, Evergrande has actually already started selling one of their EV companies, the trucks and all that. And you can see we clearly have this downward trajectory going on here. So I mean, even on the RSI, that's where I stand at with Xpev. Unfortunately, I mean, I don't want to short it, but I need to have a hedge to protect myself. Now, and then basically the next thing we'll be watching is the SPY. I'm going to be keeping an eye on the SPY just to see if the SPY is actually able to, hang on, let me get rid of those. We need to stay above this 100-day moving average. I mean, it spooked a lot of investors. I was talking about the 50-day moving average, how that was a solid level of support. But don't forget this last right here, this little cluster right here. This is what we saw last year during this was last September, last October. So like we might be like right here, so we might come back up, and we potentially might come back down to the bottom side on the SPY. So I mean, I already shorted the SPY. I don't really feel too cute. I mean, I ain't gonna lie, I don't feel that cute right now about jumping in and shorting the SPY, but I mean, I kind of do see the SPY coming back up to the 454 range and potentially giving it up and coming back and testing this 100-day moving average right here. Now, I mean, like I said, I ain't no chart master. This is not financial advice. This is just what I see and what I'm expecting. But, you know, hell, don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and come follow me on Twitter and Instagram at IDEX Trade. And I'm out. Hope to catch you guys tomorrow.